Hi, this is Rafael Fernandez from Wearable. I'm here today to present you guys a new cutting-edge technology that we've been working on for the past 2 months, which is our real-time campaign management handled by gestures, and our wearable technology that is kind of a prototype. There's a lot of cables here, but in the future, obviously, there's no cables anymore. This is most likely like a watch that we're going to be using, and yeah, let's go into it. So basically here we have our software solution that you handle by gestures. So as you guys can see, we do have a couple of things that you can do. Basically, each of these icons here are dimensions that you can handle. Each dimension is in a campaign management. It's a set of customers that you can use to filter. Let's say we want all the guys that have money on their bank accounts. So every time that I select one of these guys, the ones that I'm handling at the moment shows up down there, and the ones that I'm drilling down, they get stacked up over here. So now I have customers that have money on their bank accounts, and as well as they have savings. So basically, now I can either go into in details, so I can see the people that fall into that group, into that target, or I can still target some more. So basically, I'm gonna get all the customers that also have MasterCard. So I'll just close my hands over here. And then basically it goes into the drilling down. Now that I'm set, I want to see all the customers that fall into that thing. I just zoom out, and here are all the customers that are actually related to that specific thing. So it's a dimension that I can also handle. Let me see, I want to get one of these guys. Let's see this dude over here. Let me zoom in. I'll just zoom this dude in, or get another one. So you can just play around over here. Let's say that I want this guy to be sent across to one of our salesperson. I just come over here, close my hands, and now what is happening here, the system is actually processing, finding the best salesperson based on the customer preference and some other stuff. And it's going to be sending to our wearable device that is actually one of the devices that is in the salesperson's hands. So basically the system sends this across, and then it's going to show up there, the customer that I just selected over there. So that's the dude, the guy that I just selected it. His name and the campaign that he's part of. Obviously now I just selected one single guy, but if you go into, you can send across an entire dimension, which is, you can select like over 10,000 customers, let's say, and then the system is going to find each salesperson and send to their wearable devices. And yeah, so based on the wearable device, we can actually talk to customers. It's an opportunity that became, it's probably become like an order or something. So that's pretty much what we've been working on. It's a new technology that we believe that it's going to help all the marketeers to let them be creative and let us handle all the bureaucracy and all the heavy work on a marketing tool. And on top of all of that, it's real time. So usually marketing tools are batch processing, so they run overnight, but our tool, it's a real time tool. Every time that you use, it sends across every single salesperson in real time. I hope you guys liked our video, and that's it.